Good morning, guys. It's Crypto Meow Analysis coming at you with a update video on DOGELON Mars. So I'm actually up very early today, so it's like 6 o'clock my time. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna decide. I decided to make a video on DOGELON Mars. Also, I mean the price is so down that at this point I am gonna do another giveaway for 1 billion. So obviously I've been doing giveaways. Like I've given away 2 billion DOGELON Mars so far from the time I got monetized, which was last June of 2024. Uh, and then I just did one last month, and our member Doc Rock ended up winning it. So I'm going to do another giveaway. I'm going to put a little bit of my ad revenue into buying another 1 billion DOGELON Mars. And then I'm going to do another DOGELON Mars giveaway. Anyway, so I'll go ahead and actually do that right now on the stream. So I'm just going to buy 1 billion because someone has this 10 billion it's selling at 149. So let's see how much that's gonna cost. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I have $17.50 in here. So let's see. So let's just say 149.45 minus 1750. So I need to transfer 131. Transfer deposit. Nobody knows my information because you only get the last 4. And then perfect. Now we're gonna wait until this balance changes, which it does, and then bam, 1 billion 149. I'm going to buy it, and there we go. Now I'm at 101. So yeah, so there we go. So I just bought it. I'm gonna take it out of my. I'm gonna transfer it out of my, because all my YouTube earnings go into a savings account, and then I just like anytime I spend money like on the channel, I transfer it into my checking. So I'm just gonna do that, and yeah, we're gonna do a billion DOGELON Mars giveaway. And you guys, just to let you know, last time we did a giveaway, I ended up buying here in the 20s, and then it went up. And I remember, we have videos of this where I bought it for $200, and someone had the opportunity to sell it like $500-600. And so just FYI, that's part of the reason why I like to buy when the RSI is oversold, is because, again, there's only so much down pressure. There's only so much more, down selling, right? So now, whoever wins this, and when I do the giveaway, congratulations, it might actually be worth like $300-400. So in my mind, I don't care. Like, good for you guys, because I just showed you. I just spent 100 and whatever dollars on it, so it doesn't matter to me. And I already have my coin, so like I'm not really worried about it. But for you, it's like, for you guys, it's a little bit different, because it's like, hey, oh my God, Crypto Me Analysis just bought 1 billion coins at $150. And then when I do the giveaway sometime in March, and I'll clarify what date, it might be like $300-400. So someone might just get $300-400. Now I will say I might split it up into two 500 million. I don't know whether I'm going to do that yet, but just FYI, I just know that it is either going to be 1 billion, one winner, or two winners at 500 million. And obviously I need to grow my channel. Obviously I do so appreciate my members and my and the people who are like, the people, the subscribers, and the subscribers that are also members, because they're also making this happen. So that's why last time, again, it was only a member exclusive. And so this time I think I'm going to do the same thing, because again, they're the ones that are allowing me to do this and making this happen. So I think I have like 20 members, but maybe I'll do one of them for like, split it up in a way of, I have to figure it out, but maybe like the majority portion goes to the member, and then because I still want subscribers to feel participated, I'll do like a portion of it for a subscriber. Again, the layout is now going to be, hey, you guys have to be in the live streams when I do it during the giveaway, because I can't chase someone down. So last time I did this, I had to chase 2 people down. They never responded. So then I changed the criteria to, hey, just FYI, you guys are gonna know exactly when it's gonna be, and you have to be in the live stream when I do it. And anyone who wants to win or has the opportunity to win has to be in the live stream. Anyway, now let's go into TA. Let's do some TA on this. So again, with this, very simple. I mean, we're oversold. There's only so much selling pressure. We are, the stock RSI is completely reset. I do think we are forming a bottom right now. And although on this chart, you can see we have no more support. So we're done, right? We don't know. It's like catching a falling knife. Let me close out Gemini. It's like catching a falling knife. We don't know if it's going to go down. We don't know at what point it's going to reverse. But on this chart, we are still technically maintaining support, because look, and a lot of people don't use this chart because of how ugly and choppy it looks, but look, we are literally sitting on 15, almost 15. It hasn't closed yet, but we do still have a shot of bottom, and also we are still making a higher low, so technically you're still maintaining uptrend, and I know that's a little bit of hopium, but I did want to say that. Now, in terms of resistance, we've always said it, and if you guys have been watching me for 2 years now, you know there's resistance at 23. There's no bull run until we break over and stay over 37. And just keep in mind we've attempted to break out twice now. So once we break out, I'm hoping if we stay over to 382, then the Elon sentiment will change, and everyone's going to notice it, because we're going to be macro bullish. You're no longer going to get Elon at 6 euros. You're no longer going to get 1 billion coins at like $150. It's going to be $400 to $500 to get 1 billion coins, right? So the whole market sentiment's going to change, and then hopefully we have our bull run from there. But again, nothing's bullish until we break the 236 at 23, and then the 382. No bull run until we break over and stay over 37. Keyword stay over, because we could do this again, and then we could come back down, and then we'll just look back and be like, hey, we did it again, right? Exactly what happened here. We said the same thing. Anyway, I hope that made sense. I know that's a lot of information. The reason why I think we bottomed is a couple of things I want to show, and then I'll cut the video. So 3 things that that I'm showing is Bitcoin's RSI. Bitcoin's RSI. Look at this. There's only so much more selling pressure. We're oversold. Last time we were this oversold was in August 2023. Last time we were oversold in general was in July, August of 2024. And we've been making higher lows across the board. So every single time it's happened, it's bottomed and we reversed. It's bottomed and we reversed. Even here, it's bottomed and then we reversed. Even here, it's bottomed and then we reversed. So that's why I think that we're fine right now, because then we're forming some sort of bottom. The other thing is that the fear and greed is at 21. I don't think it's updated today, right? Yeah, I don't think it's updated yet, but yeah, so I don't think it's updated yet, but because I think we were at 21 yesterday. But the fear and greed is 21, and it's never been this low. The last time it got even relatively close to being this low was September 2024, and then September of 2023. So which also marked bottoms. So 26,000, and then back here was 55,000, I think, right? 54,000, 53,000. Sorry, 53,000. And then now we're at 80,000, and we've never been more fearful until right now. And then the last thing I want to show you guys, just to have, just to say, hey, don't panic, don't worry, everything's going to be okay. It's not just DOGELON Mars, it's the entire market, so don't just think that it's DOGELON Mars. Relatively speaking, DOGELON Mars is holding up extremely well, so just FYI. The last thing, again, I want to show you is the Bitcoin dominance. We have not gotten alt season yet, so that's what we're waiting for. So everyone needs to relax, everything's going to be okay. Literally, we're waiting for alt season, and Bitcoin dominance hasn't even dropped yet. So again, my prediction is that when Bitcoin dominance drops, we are going to get this giant move up. And how high it's going to take us, I don't know, right? Everyone has their own game plan. But I do think that, with all that DOGELON Mars is building out and doing, I think we'll be fine. And hopefully we get higher highs. Hopefully we get listed on Coinbase, Binance, and all that good stuff. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. This is all just my opinion. Just remember that, just keep in touch. I am going to do the DOGELON Mars giveaway. I will give a couple weeks notice, obviously, and I'll just keep letting you guys know that what date it's going to be on. If you don't follow me on X, I made an X. It's just Crypto Meow Analysis. You can follow me on Instagram. I will be posting, my schedule and live stream and all that stuff, all the giveaways and things like that on there. So in case you guys don't look at my YouTube shorts for that, I also do have an Instagram that I post on, and then X that I post on too. Anyways, more details to come on the DOGELON Mars giveaway. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for all of your guys' support. And just remember, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.